We had always wanted a set of HRE wheels, ever since seeing them on Supras in the early 2000s. Then, when we bought our NSX, it came with this awesome set of wheels. But we still didn't know much about them, other than that they had a good reputation. So we decided we'd find out more about the company, as well as this specific wheel. Gene Howell began HRE, or Howell Racing Enterprises, in 1979. Since then, the HRE name has become synonymous with both strong and show-stopping. Whether it's a one-piece monoblock, a flow-formed wheel, or the newer carbon fiber series of barrels, HRE provides many options for each of its custom orders. HRE operates out of a 60,000 square foot warehouse in Vista, California, where it designs, manufactures, and ships its wheels, keeping the entire process in-house. While HRE keeps lots of chunks of metal on hand, all completed wheels head straight out the door to their excited owners. Additionally, HRE's production is compliant with Germany's stringent TÜV standards, which allows HRE to sell their wheels in Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. HRE wheels have also helped set track records multiple times throughout the years. Perhaps the style HRE is best known for is the one-piece monoblock. This particular wheel is an RC104, which is forged from aerospace-grade 6061 T6 aluminum. HRE uses heat and pressure to take a block of aluminum and shape it into a wheel. The process also includes CNC machining, human review and smoothing, an ultrasonic bath, and in-house powder coating and painting. This highlights HRE's devotion to quality. By keeping powder coating in-house, they maintain control over the temperature of the process, which ensures that the integrity of the wheel is not compromised by excessive heat. Employees also test the torque on each fastener before packaging the wheels. This RC104 is currently listed at $2,450 on the HRE website, which means a set of 4 costs $9,800. If you want to pick up a set of carbon wheels, those start at $7,850 each, which means the set will cost at least $31,400. The company also hosts an annual open house at its warehouse, plus invites the public to tour the showroom during business hours. And, of course, they're at all the major shows. But this part is cool. If you have a car that HRE needs to measure, you can volunteer to let them scan your car at their Vista location. They'll even give you some sort of discount on a set of wheels as a thank you. Thanks for watching.